Everyone blames the YouTube algorithm, but here's the truth. YouTube is showing your videos. The problem is, people just aren't clicking. Look at this. 282 impressions, but only 9 views. That's a 3% click-through rate. And that number alone decides whether your video takes off or dies. I learned this the hard way. It's not about uploading more content. It's about fixing the front door, your title and thumbnail. If they don't grab attention instantly, no one walks in. Here's the crazy part. I've revived videos months later without re-uploading, just by changing those 2 things. And the views shot up again. So before you quit, test it. Change your last thumbnail and title today and watch the difference. And if you want me to break down how I optimize mine step by step, hit subscribe, because I'm dropping that in the next video.